Best car battery warmers. In this video I show you the best car battery warmers available to buy. Six. Katt 22600 Battery Pad Heater Review. While cars tend to have smaller, normal-sized batteries, the same can't be said for trucks on the road. In those cases, truck owners need to call on something a bit larger to help maintain battery life in poor weather conditions. Measuring 11 by 18 inches, the Katt 22680-watt battery pad heater rests directly beneath the truck battery, allowing heat to rise throughout the battery and restoring it to a better temperature for overall performance. The AC adapter plug fits in 120-volt and 240-volt plugs, allowing it work pretty much anywhere there's an outlet. The pad can also pull double duty on other parts of the engine block such as oil pans to help prevent oil from thickening in colder temperatures. Five. Temro Battery Heater Warmer Pad Review. Resting directly underneath a car battery, the Temro 60-watt battery heater warmer pad provides a rising effect to help heat the battery and is placed directly under the battery itself, which results in a faster and easier ignition start in cold weather. As the heat rises, the warmth is evenly distributed around the battery. The molded rubber cord built directly into the pad and heater sheathing was designed specifically to handle cold weather conditions and avoid cracking. Beyond quick installation, the Temro is oil and acid resistant, as well as flame retardant, so it's a highly safe pick when you're experiencing cold weather problems. The 5.5 by 8.5 inch sizing works with most traditional battery sizes in consumer cars, trucks and SUVs. Four. Handi-Heat 10480 Cell Saver Battery Review. Capable of withstanding up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit and completely safe to handle before or after use, the Handi-Heat 10480 is a smart choice for warming up a car battery. It has an exterior reflective layer that can trap and nullify any harmful battery acid to both the environment and your car. Installation is easy, the Handi-Heat wraps directly around the battery and is held securely in place, thanks to edge sealing tape. Unlike more traditional car battery heaters, the Handi-Heat has no power source, so it relies on its built-in thermal insulation to trap the heat in the winter. The Handi-Heat can also be paired with an AC outlet-based battery thermal wrap for extra warmth during the height of winter. Katt 1160 Magnum Handi-Heat Magnetic Heater Review. Offering a nearly universal fit for all cars, the Katt 1160 300-watt Magnum Handi-Heat Magnetic Heater is capable of heating around 20 inches of surface area. TPHE Katt 1160 is designed to assist with preventing damage that can occur from cold weather starts. As an added bonus of giving heat to your car battery, the Katt 1160 can also transmit heat to oil fluids, allowing for quicker lubrication when the ignition turns over by helping motor oil avoid thickening, which can damage the engine if left untreated. Placed directly on top of the car battery while in use, the 120-volt AC plug connects directly into a wall or other outlet. Besides car batteries, the Katt 1160 can also pull double duty on oil pans, engine blacks or intake manifolds. It can also unfreeze gutters, locks or pipes. Zerostart and Temro 2,800,063 36 inches. Battery blanket review. Composed of Thinsulate thermal insulation to help lengthen the life of a car battery, the Zerostart and Temro 2,800,063 36-inch battery blanket is a great buy. Helping to maintain the life of the battery in both warm or cold weather, the 160-watt blanket can warm a car battery to anywhere between 60 to 70 degrees above the ambient temperature for quick starts and a lighter strain on the ignition. The 30-inch molded rubber cord can plug into any standard-sized 120-volt AC plug. Once plugged in, the Zerostart wraps directly around the battery and is held in place with the included zip ties. The Zerostart has proven itself to be the best blanket solution for maintaining the life of your car battery no matter the outdoor conditions. 1. Katt 22,236 inches. Thermal wrap review. One of the most highly recommended car battery warmers on the market, the Katt 22,280 watt 36-inch thermal wrap is a standout choice. Installation is a snap. The Katt unfolds like a blanket, allowing the user to wrap it around the battery in a matter of seconds. Designed to fit most traditional size car batteries thanks to its 15 by 9.5 by 8.5 inch measurements, car owners shouldn't have any problem with finding the right fit. Composed of a vinyl material, the Katt also helps protect against acid and oil leaks to prolong the life of the battery and the rest of the engine block. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video.